So this is my third book, I think. It's called The Little Woman, and it's by Louis May Alcott. This story was set in the time during the American Civil War, where the North and the South fight with fight for the slavery thing. And to begin with, this story had four main characters, the four sisters, Mag, Jo, Beth, and Amy, and both of them suffered in the story. And at the beginning of the story, they were in a Christmas, and they didn't have enough money to like buy what they want for their Christmas gift because they were really poor, and their father fight in the war for the North for the slavery in the Civil War. And at the end of the story, Mag marries Laurie's tutor, and Jo marries uh, a guy who met in university, and Beth is a little girl who is sick at all time, and she likes to play piano. And Amy, she's a little girl who's 13 years old. She goes to school every day, and she's smart and clever. And that's all about this story.